Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a low light enhancer. So if you have a darken or bad light on your image or photo, you can try to enhance it by using CapCut web version. So you can access it by go to the CapCut.com, and here don't forget to sign in, or if you don't have one, you can sign up, create a new account, and click on magic tools. Let's start by finding the low light image enhancer. You can click it, and here, in order to do that, you can drag and drop file here. Let's upload the low light photo and wait the process. And if there is something wrong, you can try again. Make sure you have a very good connection, internet connection. Let's try again with the assets from the CapCut itself. So there are total 4 level 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can choose the intensity of color collection here. Feel free to try to use this low light image enhancer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.